Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about another massive airdrop for Celestia stakers. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Stride is doing a massive airdrop for those who are liquid staking their TR tokens on their platform, which I will show you in some time. And the current price of Stride token is around 6.65 US dollars. Now there are few people who are earning a lot of airdrop on Stride itself, so I will show you now. Now with regards to the airdrop for liquid stakers of TIA, as you can see, in total 5 million STRD or Stride tokens would be airdropped to liquid staker TIA holders. Now the snapshot starts today. So today meaning it will start from 1st February, which has already been started, and it will continue for next 150 days. Now there is a 2x bonus for users holding liquid stake TIA in the first 60 days. So you are still very early, to be honest, because it has just started on 1st February, and now this airdrop Stride tokens would be claimable after 6 months from the date it was earned. So you still have time to farm this airdrop, to be honest. And all you have to do is you will need to go to app.stride.zone and you will need to liquid stake your TR tokens in order to get this STTR, which is a liquid stake TR. Now you also earn 13.41% APY, which is a good thing. And this swap is basically in 1:1 ratio. So if we want to swap 500 TR tokens for STTR, then you will be getting 499.6. There is a small amount that goes in the gas fees, so it's 1:1. Now once you get this liquid stake TR token, all you have to do is you can check this liquid stake TR airdrop over here. So as you can see, this you need to simply hold it on Stride on this platform to be eligible, and snapshots will update periodically. So I think the snapshot happens every day, and as you can see, more than $28 million of TIA has been already staked over here, which is more than 1.6 million TIA tokens in total, and the overall airdrop that is remaining is more than $31 million for now. I think the total value as compared to the price was $35 million, and 4.7 million Stride are still to be airdropped. Now with regards to today's airdrop, as you can see, more than $300,000 worth of Stride tokens have been already airdropped today, and this is 50,000 Stride tokens have been airdropped today. And you can check the leaderboard over here. So this specific person has earned more than 18,526 Stride tokens in total. So if you multiply this by 6.65, he has earned more than $100,000 worth of Stride airdrop on this platform itself. And there are others also who are earning a lot of Stride airdrop. So I would suggest is, if you have TIA, you can go ahead and liquid stake your TIA on Stride platform in order to be eligible for this decent airdrop called as other airdrops over here. So basically, if you stake Atom, Osmo, Stars, Juno, Luna, and there are a few others, then you would be eligible for another Stride airdrop, which is the additional bonus. So for staking this liquid TIA, you will have to connect your Leap wallet or Kepler wallet, and then you can stake your TIA over here. And if you want to be eligible for this additional airdrops over here, you can go ahead and stake other tokens and coins on the Leap dashboard or Kepler dashboard. So this is all for this massive airdrop video for Stride network for the Celestia stakers. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.